You might come across a Windows cannot be installed to this disk error message during the operation system installation. So in this video, let's explore the methods to fix it and complete the Windows installation. Now the BIOS has two versions, the Unified Extensible Firmware Interface or UEFI and the Legacy BIOS. Now each only works with a certain hard drive partition style, as the Legacy BIOS supports MBR while the UEFI supports GPT. So the installation will fail if there's a mismatch. So to convert the disk to MBR, and open the command prompt. Now you have to type disk part. And press enter. After this, you have to type list disk to fetch a list of drives on your computer. And if the disk is GPT, you will see an asterisk under the GPT column. Now you have to take note the disk number which you want to convert, but since we only have one disk here, we will select it by typing select disk 0 command. Now this will run the clean command to wipe the disk if there's a data on it. Then after that, type convert MBR to convert the partition to MBR. And once you're done doing that, exit the command prompt window, return to the Windows installation page, and then run the installation again. Now if that did not work, you will need to convert the disk to the GPT partition style, and you might have this error message pop up instead. So to fix this, open command prompt with admin rights, type disk part, press enter, type list disk to fetch a list of drives on your computer, and if the disk is on GPT, you will see an asterisk under the GPT column. Now you have to take note of the disk number which you want to convert. Since we only have one disk again, you will have to select it with the select disk 0 command. Now this will also run the clean command to wipe the disk if there's any data on it. Now instead of typing convert MBR, you have to type convert GPT instead. And that's how to fix the following error code in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.